Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Apple CarPlay in your Hyundai Kona. This feature seamlessly integrates your iPhone with your car's infotainment system, allowing you to access navigation, music, and calls safely. Before we begin, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version. Also, have an Apple-certified USB cable on hand if you plan to use a wired connection. Most Hyundai Kona models from 2018 and newer support this convenient feature. For a wired connection, simply plug your iPhone into the front USB port of your Hyundai Kona using an Apple-certified Lightning to USB cable. This port is typically located below the infotainment screen. Once connected, unlock your iPhone and respond to any prompts asking for permission. A green Apple CarPlay icon should then appear on your vehicle's display. Tap this icon to launch the CarPlay interface and begin enjoying its features. To connect wirelessly, first ensure both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on your iPhone. Next, on your Hyundai's touchscreen, go to Setup, then Device Connections and select Phone Projection. Choose Add New and then select your vehicle from your iPhone's Bluetooth menu. Confirm the pairing codes displayed on both devices. Follow any additional on-screen prompts to complete the setup, and your iPhone should now be wirelessly connected to Apple CarPlay. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. There are simple solutions. First, try restarting both your iPhone and your Hyundai's infotainment system. For wired connections, a faulty cable is a common culprit, so try a different Apple-certified USB cable. Also, check your iPhone screen time settings to ensure CarPlay isn't restricted. If problems persist, delete your phone from the car's device list and forget this car in your iPhone's CarPlay settings. Then repair it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.